Hey guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So I have my K18 products right here. They came in the mail. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's get started. Okay, so when you order your product, it's going to look like this. And yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, so this is the Peptide Prep. This is their clarifying shampoo. This is the Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. And this is the Molecular Repair Hair Oil. So I have to say I'm surprised at how small these are, given the price point, but let's see what it does. This is a nice size. The clarifying shampoo is a good size. Okay. So last night I already oiled my hair, so I'm not going to do that today. So Grandma was kind enough to take my little guy out while I filmed this video. I was thinking to myself, I don't know when I'm gonna have a chance to do it. Ooh, why does that feel so good? Okay, so what does the instructions say? How to swap out your regular shampoo for this power wash 1 time weekly. Massage into hair and scalp to remove the excess buildup. Thoroughly rinse. Repeat as needed. Okay, so up next is the Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. And the how-to says shampoo, do not condition, towel dry, begin with 1 pump and add more as needed. Apply all over, 1 pump at a time. Let it sit for 4 minutes, don't rinse out. Comb, add product, and style as usual. Use for 4 to 6 washes, then as needed. And then the oil says apply to damp towel dried hair before styling or on dry hair as a finisher. It's a highly concentrated formula. Start with 1 to 3 drops and build as needed. Okay, so I'm gonna hop into the shower. I'm gonna do my normal wash routine. Well, not my normal wash routine. I'm going to use the Peptide Prep, and then I'm going to come on camera and show you the K18. Everything is called K18. I'm going to use the Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask on camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so my hair feels really clean. Doesn't feel stripped. So I'm happy about that. All right, this is 1 pump. I don't know how this is gonna do something. I'm gonna do 2 pumps per section. So the videos that I watched says to rub your hands together until it turns white. Alright, so I'm going to do my whole head off of camera and I'll be right back. Alright, this is the last section. Alright, so my cell phone is already going. I set it for 4 minutes, and now I'm gonna wait. I'll be right back. All right, and that is our 4 minutes. I'm gonna touch it and see what my hair feels like. It does feel soft. I'm not used to just washing and putting product into my hair. Like I don't know where the conditioner will fit in this process. But my hair feels soft, so I won't lie about that. Yeah, I would say that let me twist this down. Okay, so I don't love it and I don't hate it. My hair feels soft. I just can't wrap my mind around washing my hair and then just going in and putting product on it and then nothing else. So I'm having a hard time like comprehending that. So I am gonna go in with the deep conditioner that I love that makes my hair really soft. I'm gonna put that on for about 30 minutes and I'm gonna style my hair and I'll be right back. Yeah. So this is just gonna be my first impressions video, and then I'll just keep using it. So I have to use it about 4 to 6 washes, and then I'll know a little bit more. So I'll definitely come back with a month update after this. But like I said, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. All right, I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, and I'm back. So I deep conditioned my hair with the Kristen S deep conditioner, and my hair is back to feeling like it usually does. So after I use the leave-in molecular repair hair mask, like I said, I didn't hate it and I didn't love it. My hair felt strange. It felt like it had product on it and it needed something else. Like just shampooing your hair and then using this is just not enough for my texture here. I needed to go back in with a deep conditioner in order to restore that softness. So I am gonna follow what it says to use it 4 to 6 washes, but after that I'm probably gonna just do it once a month. After deep conditioning my hair, I do like how my hair feels. I can't really tell if it's stronger or not. I feel like it's just too early to tell, so I'll come back in 1 month and I'll let you know. So I already added some heat protectant to my hair. I'm going to blow dry my hair and I'm gonna flat iron my hair, and just to see if there's any like difference in my flat iron. If I need to trim my hair, I'll come back on and I will trim my hair in another video. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful night and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.